Today we're going to learn how to import Excel data in a C# console application. How's it going, everyone? In this video, we're going to learn how to read an Excel file in a simple C# console application using IronXL. Before we begin, make sure you've installed the IronXL package from NuGet Package Manager. Now, in the program.cs file, import the IronXL namespace and set the license key so that everything works smoothly. First thing, we define the file path of the Excel file that we want to read. This is the XLSX file stored locally on our system. Next, load the Excel file into a workbook object using IronXL's load method. This gives us access to the entire spreadsheet. From the workbook, we grab the first worksheet. This is where our data is stored and what we'll be reading from. Now we loop through each row in the worksheet. Inside that loop, we loop through each cell in the row and then print the cell's text to the console separated by tabs. After printing all the cells in a row, we move to a new line so the data appears in a clean table-like format in the console. Once all the rows are processed, we close the workbook to free up the resources. So let's go ahead and run the application now and wait for the process to complete. And as you can see, all the Excel data is printed directly in the console, row by row, matches the sample XLSX file. And that's it. It's a quick and easy way to read Excel files in a C# console application using IronXL. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to go ahead and get started with IronXL, please sign up for a trial on our website. Continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. There's a link in the description below. Check it out.